Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at the Bella 6.0 Qt Programmable Slow Cooker. So if you are considering adding a reliable slow cooker to your setup, stick around. And if you would like to check out the latest pricing and its availability, the link is in the description. So the Bella 6.0 Qt Slow Cooker offers you 4 programmable cooking times: 4, 6, 8 and 10 hours. So once the cooking is done, it automatically switches to the warm setting, keeping your food ready until you are ready to serve. The 6 quart capacity is ideal for the soups, stews, chili, or even a whole roast chicken. It's built with an Evergood ceramic non-stick coating that's free from PFAs, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, which makes it a healthier option as compared to the traditional non-stick surfaces. In daily usage, the setup is very simple. The digital control are very easy to understand, and the glass lid allows you to monitor the cooker without lifting it. Performance wise, it handles the low and the high settings well. Meals cook evenly and consistently. However, after the extended high heat cooking, you might notice slight sticking around the edges despite the non-stick coating. It's not a major issue, but it's something to be aware of. So if you are looking for a reliable no fuss show slow cooker with the family sized capacity and easy programming, I can say that Bella 6.0 Qt Programmable Slow Cooker offers you the solid value for money. It's not the most advanced model out there, but for everyday cooking, it gets the job done. So again, if you want to check this out, the product link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.